Welcome to my adventure unfolded. Be sure to like and subscribe for more meaningful journeys. Today's destination is Hiroshima, Japan. More specifically, the Hiroshima Atomic Bomb Dome. Hiroshima, a name forever etched into history. On August 6, 1945, at exactly 8:15 a.m., the world changed forever when the first atomic bomb used in warfare was dropped on this city. The explosion instantly killed over 70,000 people. By the end of the year, that number had doubled from radiation exposure. But amidst the destruction, one structure remained eerily intact: the Hiroshima Prefectural Industrial Promotion Hall. Today, it's known globally as the Hiroshima Atomic Bomb Dome, a powerful symbol of both tragedy and resilience. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996, the dome stands as a haunting reminder of the past and a call for peace in the future. It's one of the few remaining structures that survived the atomic blast near the epicenter. It didn't just survive, it speaks. Many visitors are surprised to learn the building wasn't demolished after the war. In fact, locals debated for years whether to preserve it or tear it down. Ultimately, they chose remembrance over erasure. And that choice speaks volumes. The message is clear: never again. Why Hiroshima was chosen as the target? Hiroshima was selected as the first target for the atomic bomb due to its strategic and symbolic importance. As a vital industrial and transportation hub, the city supported Japan's war effort with factories producing military equipment and aircraft parts, as well as rail and shipping routes that connected the country. Unlike cities like Tokyo or Osaka, Hiroshima had not been heavily bombed, making it an ideal location to observe the atomic bomb's full destructive power without prior damage. Additionally, with a population of around 350,000, the city was large enough to showcase the weapon's devastating force, yet small enough to maintain a degree of military justification. The US believed such a dramatic show of force would pressure Japan into surrendering. Even in silence, this place tells a story that echoes across generations. My visit to Hiroshima was more than just a stop on a map, it was a humbling experience. The Atomic Bomb Dome and Peace Memorial Park don't just preserve history. They challenge us to reflect, to remember, to act. If this story moved you, please like the video, subscribe to my adventure unfolded. Here are some photos I captured at the dome. Just steps away lies Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a serene yet emotionally powerful space that honors the victims and calls for global disarmament. It's not just a park, it's a sanctuary for reflection, education, and hope. To get to the Hiroshima Atomic Bomb Dome, start by taking the Shinkansen, Japan's high-speed bullet train, to Hiroshima Station, the city's main rail hub. Once you arrive, head outside and look for the Hiroshima Electric Railway, also known as the streetcar. From there, hop on either Line 2 or Line 6. Ride the streetcar for about 15 minutes and get off at Genbaku Dome, that's the Atomic Bomb Dome stop. The stop is located right in front of the dome, so as soon as you step off, you will be standing just steps away from one of the most powerful symbols of peace in the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, travel deeper, and let every adventure unfold a little more meaning.